ATAS versus Quantower, which trading platform is better? Choosing the right trading platform can transform how you analyze markets and execute trades without missing critical insights. We'll look at ATAS and Quantower, two powerful tools with distinct approaches. ATAS and Quantower are both advanced trading platforms designed for active traders and analysts. The core difference lies in ATAS's focus on order flow and footprint charts, while Quantower offers a highly customizable multi-asset trading environment with extensive connectivity. ATAS is a specialized platform centered on order flow analysis, footprint charts, and market depth visualization. It processes raw market data to reveal the real-time buying and selling pressure behind price movements. Traders use ATAS to identify liquidity zones, volume clusters, and potential reversals with precision. The platform supports futures, stocks, and crypto markets, providing detailed tools for scalpers and day traders who rely on volume and order flow insights. ATAS's interface is intuitive for users focused on footprint charts, but may require some learning for beginners. Its strengths include deep market data visualization and advanced volume analytics, which help traders anticipate market moves more accurately. However, ATAS has fewer integrated brokerage options compared to some competitors, which can limit direct trading for some users. Ideal users are professional traders or serious retail traders who prioritize order flow and volume footprint analysis to enhance their trading strategies. Source: https://hp2.net. Quantower is a versatile multi-asset trading platform known for its customizable interface and broad market connectivity. It supports stocks, futures, options, forex, and cryptocurrencies through various brokers and data feeds. Quantower offers advanced charting tools including volume profile, market depth, and time and sales, alongside algorithmic trading capabilities and strategy automation. Its modular design allows traders to tailor workspaces, combining order flow tools with traditional technical analysis indicators. Quantower excels in providing a unified platform for traders who operate across multiple asset classes and prefer flexibility in execution and analysis. While it offers powerful features, the learning curve can be steep for new users due to its extensive options. Some advanced features require paid licenses, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious traders. The platform is best suited for active traders and professionals who value multi-asset access, customization, and integration with various brokers. Source: https://2.0. Quantower. 1. Comparing ATAS and Quantower, the choice depends on your trading style and market focus. ATAS shines with its order flow and footprint charting, ideal for traders who analyze volume and market microstructure in futures and crypto. It offers deep insights but is more specialized and less flexible in broker integration. Quantower provides a broader multi-asset experience with customizable layouts and supports more brokers, making it suitable for traders who need to manage diverse portfolios or use algorithmic strategies. However, Quantower's complexity and licensing fees may be a drawback for some. In real-world use, ATAS is preferred for precision order flow trading, while Quantower appeals to those seeking versatility and multi-market access. The trade-off is between specialized depth and broad flexibility. Choose ATAS if your priority is detailed order flow and footprint analysis for futures and crypto trading, focusing on precision market insights. Opt for Quantower if you need a flexible multi-asset platform with extensive broker support and customizable tools. It's perfect for traders managing diverse portfolios or using algorithmic strategies. Both platforms excel in their domain select based on your trading approach and market needs.